Ninja Watà likes to train with his laser swords, together with his little dragon friend Bamboo, and always gives his utmost, even when it is cold outside and snowy. However, though he is a valiant warrior, sometimes he feels ill. Look at him today. The thermometer is almost exploding with fever, and not even a wool blanket can keep him warm. There's no time to lose. Ninja Watà, together with Bamboo, decides to see Dr. Potion and Foul Owl, his faithful assistant. They'll certainly be able to help him.
Will I be able to go back to training?
Asks Watà.
Why, certainly. You just need the right medicine. This is why I have to take a small sample of your blood. But first, I'll give you this potion. Just shake it and pour it over your arm. You'll only feel a slight pinprick.
Ninja Watà sits for the blood test, and thanks to the magic potion, he can only feel a slight pinprick, which goes right away.
The potion worked!
He happily exclaims. Dr. Potion studies Ninja Watà's blood with his microscope and discovers a cold bacteria just like the one that made him ill. Then he prepares the right medicine for the Ninja Warrior Watà, and he feels much better. He took the medicine, and the fever has disappeared.
Dr. Potion, to thank you, I will teach you the ninja technique of multiplication.
And suddenly, an entire army of Ninja Watàs appear.
Thanks, Dr. Potion.